So today we are talking all about this Itsy Ritzy Boss Plus diaper bag, and I'm super excited about it because although I've always wanted to love the Boss backpack, the original, I just never really it just wasn't my jam. Never really found a way to pack it where it didn't get heavy or hard to get into the pockets or whatever. It's probably me, but the changes they made to this bag when they made the Plus check all my boxes. So I was super excited when they released it in this beautiful cognac color because I love this color, as you can see. So I have her all packed up, and let me show you what's inside because she holds a ton and she stays super organized. All right, so here she is in the beautiful cognac color. The vegan leather on this is so soft and supple. I really like it. I am extremely picky when it comes to vegan leathers especially, and this one feels very nice. I really like the feel of it. I love the tassel detail you get here. I love that on the updated design you get an actual mommy pocket and two bottle pockets because I never knew what to do with that zipper pocket on the other one. I love that they added a zipper to this pocket here so that you feel like your items are secure, and it's all good. So right here on the side I just have a bottle of sunscreen because it's summer and we're at the park all the time. Then going into the mommy pocket here, I have a few things for me. Right on the key leash here, I do have my keys attached. And then I have a battery charger here. And then I have my Pomifera hand sanitizer. I love this stuff. It smells so good. And I also have the bug spray that works really well and has none of the icky chemicals in it. Then in this front wall of the pocket, you do get a zipper pocket. And in there, I'm just keeping some gum and some of my business cards. Moving up to this zipper pocket here, this is where I am keeping my wallet. This is my Madewell wallet. I love how small and compact it is, and it fits in there great, and it's super easy to get to when I'm out with the kids. Then on the top of the bag, you do get the standard sunglass pocket. That is where I would put my sunglasses, but they are currently in my car. Then moving to the back wall of the bag, you do get this long zipper pocket, and this is where your change pad will come. And this is where I am keeping a change of clothes for both of my younger kids. So I have a 4-year-old and an almost 2-year-old, and that fits back there perfectly out of the way because I don't typically need to grab for those. Then opening her up, look at just how organized everything is, and I love that. So sitting right on top here, I have a swaddle blanket. In the middle of the bag here, I just have 2 pieces from a Jujubee set. In this medium set piece here, I just have our restaurant needs, a Go Silly placemat, straws, things like that. Then in this one, I just have this filled with snacks, and they nest perfectly in the center there. Super easy to access, and because of this mesh netting, everything stays in place. You do get 4 pockets along the back wall of the bag, and then this nice big laptop pocket. So once I move these out, everything else is organized into pockets, which is great. Over here on the side, I have 4 size 5 diapers, which is plenty, and that pocket could probably fit like 6 or 8. It's a really big pocket. Then right next to it, I have a brand new pack of Aquapure wipes, and even though this is stuff full, that still slides in there no problem. Next to that, I have my medical kit. So in here, I just have Band-Aids and medicine and sunscreen and ointment and all of those things that you might need on the go with small children. Here I've stuck another medium set piece by Jujubee, and this one is just filled with tiny toys and some entertainment for the kiddos when we're on the go. Then back here in this laptop sleeve, I do have a Bumpkins large piece from their 3-pouch trio. And in here, I have some blank paper, I have some crayons, and a Planet-Wise coin purse. And I also have a few play packs stuff back in there, again, to keep the kids busy. And then on the side here, I really like that Itsy Ritzy puts this pocket up here so that you can use the upper space of the bag. And this is just my little mommy kit. So I have a folding hairbrush, some lip products, a deodorant, and then some hair ties and bobby pins back in that Jujubee coin purse. And then you also get a zipper pocket all the way at the top of the bag. I will say this pocket can be tough to get into. I did try putting one of my pouches up there, and there was no way that you could really get it in there. So I've just used this pocket for my pens, my Tide to Go pen, and a chapstick. On the front wall of the bag, you do get 2 more pockets. In this top one, I am just keeping my wet ones for quick access. And then underneath that, you get an almost identical pocket. I just have a wet bag and my potty pouch with flushable wipes, soap sheets, and toilet covers, things like that. Alright, so thanks for bearing with me to the end. My little guy woke up from his nap, but we made it to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing how I had her packed up. Please subscribe to my channel, throw me a comment. I love getting to know you guys better in the comment section, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!